What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, loves? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, we're tackling the base box. I received this box. Today is Monday that I'm filming this. Yes. So we're going to put this on for Friday. Yeah. So I hope the base box don't let me down like the premium box, but we shall see. So if you guys want to see what's in this base box for October, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if your base box was better than your premium box or vice versa. Hello guys, hello. As I said in the intro, I'm TonyaNicole, and you have entered into my bomb ass unboxing world, where today we're tackling BoxyCharm's base box for the month of August. Yes, oh, I said August, girl, Lord, October. Today's drink, my loves, we have a little Moscato. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I do. Now, guys, let's get into some specs and unbox this baby. This one is the $25 a month box, guys. You get 5 full-size products in here, and it's supposed to have a value of around $175. There is a link down below if you guys want to subscribe to BoxyCharm. I haven't opened this one yet, so let's grab the box cutter and let's get this party started. And the weight on my box, first, it said 0.9 pounds, and then it said 1 pound. So I'm not really sure which one it is. So, yeah. We open her up. Okay. I'm taking a little peek. See, I ain't showing y'all though. So we do get a card. The theme for this month is candy shop. I take you to the candy shop, which I didn't get candy shop from the last box, the premium box, which I will link that somewhere up here or down below. But I'm not sure where they come with these themes at, because some of them just don't go. Y'all agree or disagree? I just think some of the themes are just like, On the back here, we get a list of products as well as prices. I have variation number 28. So let's see what variation 28 means. Okay, let's go. All right, so first up is my choice item, and this is the Dose of Color Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. There we go, right there, guys. And I have the shade 25 Dark. Let's open this up. I did pick this myself, so I'm hoping the color will be okay, which this is the color right here, my loves. I've never tried anything from Dose of Colors, but I've heard great things about this concealer. Ooh, it's a little bit on the orange side. This may be a good color correct for me instead of a concealer. It's a little bit too deep and too golden to highlight under my eyes. So yes, I think this would be actually a good color correct for me. So I can't fault BoxyCharm for this because I did choose it. And yeah, so I'm excited about this. I'm excited about trying this out and seeing what it does underneath my foundation. And let's see what this retails for. And this one, guys, is $24. Next up in the box, I have from Ace Beauty. This is the Draw It Up Lip Liner Duo right here. Let's open them up. Oh, cool. I like these. I did watch a couple of unboxings of the base box, which I don't like to do because I be getting very upset, y'all. But I did see these, and I am excited for these. Here are the colors right there. And the first one is So Gorgeous, which is this peachy color right here. And So Peachy, which is this peachy color right here. This one is more of a coral color, guys, if you guys can see that. All right, let's swatch them. This is So Gorgeous. Oh, not like it. That's So Gorgeous right there. And this is So Peachy. And they do feel extremely extremely creamy. That's gorgeous. I like that. So, all right, I am excited to get these two products. I really am. And these guys retail for $16, okay? Next up, out of the box from Symbolsis London. This is a hyaluronic and Pullion. I'm gonna put all those words on the screen. This is a tightening and something eye mask. Okay, this is in French or something. It says to apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow to absorb into the delicate skin around the eyes. No need to wash off. All right, cool. All right, I've never heard of this company before. Have you guys heard of this company? You get 0.5 fluid ounces of product in there. Let me hold it where you guys can see. And let's see. It doesn't have a safety seal on it, but I'm gonna squirt a little bit out and see. I mean, it's an eye cream. Let's see. So it's white. It smells like a lotion. And when we rub it out, I mean, I don't really see anything different, but okay. So let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Simba Sis London Tightening and I don't know that word, eye mask. And this girl, bye, really? Girl, like, okay, BoxyCharm. Okay, this retails for $93. Yeah, okay. I don't even know. This thing right here, the tiniest drop should have made my hand look 20 years younger. Y'all see a difference? Well, maybe a little bit, but not that much of a difference to pay $93. Girl, $93? Really? What is in here? Whatever. Okay, I guess they got to get that value up somehow, huh? Even if I did like this, y'all think I'm going to repurchase this for $93? Unheard of. Never. Never. Next up, guys, we have from Luxy right here, which this was a spoiler that I really, really, really wanted. These little brushes right here. They come in this beautiful little pouch. When we open it up, I love this. Ooh, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. We get 5 brushes in here. Well, this is a 5-piece set. 4 brushes and 1 spoolie. And I love, love, love Luxy brushes. So yeah, let's see. Let's take them out. I'm excited for this, guys. I really am. I love Luxy brushes. All right, so we have here the medium angled shading brush right here. This one is the large blender. Then we have the little spoolie right there. We have the tapered blending brush. And then this is a small taper brush, right? Yeah, this is just a blending brush. So yes, I am excited for this. I really did want this product. So we have 5 brushes, well, a 5-piece set. And this retails for, oh, $40? Okay. I think my base box value is going to be bigger than my premium. How is that possible? How is that possible? Okay. Girl. Okay. And the final product in our box is this palette. Oh my God. Now, I did see this as a spoiler, and this is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. And I wanted it, and I must say, I'm so happy BoxyCharm came through with this. This is what it looks like on the outside, guys. I love, love, love Beauty Bakery's packaging. It is so epic. Oh, girl, it does not come with a mirror, which I wish it did, but these shades, oh my God, they are perfect and gorgeous for me. I love this palette. You have some matte shades, you have some shimmer shades. Some of the names are Pajamas, French Doors, Boo and Boo, Lazy Baby. Like, this is a gorgeous palette, and I know Beauty Bakery's like formula is dynamite. Not to mention that these pans are humongous. Oh, girl, I love it. So we just swatched some on the back of my hand. That's how Oh wait, this first shade did not come out well, but that's the rest of them. Let me build the first one up right here. That's what it looks like on my finger, so I'm gonna try to build it up a little bit. Alrighty, that's how they look. Oh my goodness, I really, really, really like this palette. Like I said, Beauty Bakery's formula is dynamite, and I'm excited about getting this. And this retails for $38, guys. Okay, loves, that was my final product in this box. I'm gonna do a quick recap. I definitely got some final thoughts, and then we're gonna be done. So we received the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette from Symbolsis London, this eye cream here. From Ace Beauty or Butte, these lip liners right here. Dose of Colors, the Meet Your Hue concealer. And this 5-piece Luxy brush set in this beautiful like purple periwinkle color. I love it. So these 5 products for this month. I will put the grand total somewhere around here, guys, which I'm sure is going to be close to, if not more than my premium box. Yeah, so final thoughts. I want to know how it's possible that my base box is not only better, but the value is either closer or higher than the premium box. I need to know that. This right here was the best box that I received from BoxyCharm. Well, no, this was one of the top boxes that I've received from BoxyCharm this year. I think it was only 2, maybe 3, maybe. But all of them have been base boxes with, I think, one premium box that I really liked. But how is this possible that my $25 box is better than my $35 box? Like, how is that possible? And speaking of the $35 box, why is it that I am paying $10 more for one extra product? Have you ever gotten 7 products in your premium box? I don't think so. I don't think I have. But I must say, they got it right with me this month. With the exception of this $93 eye cream, I absolutely, positively love everything about my base box. It flew beyond my premium box. I mean, really. I mean, you gave me a palette. You gave me actually one of the boxes that I've seen in PR, which is like, wow, because y'all know I pay for BoxyCharm with my own money, and to have these products here, y'all, like, this is amazing. I am very, very, very pleased with the base box this month. I'm just happy and I'm shocked, but I am. Let me get my fan because now I'm sweating. So yes, y'all, your girl is happy. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it inside the damn premium. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying. I'm going to give BoxyCharm's base box for the month of October a whopping 5. Well, we're going to do a 4.5 since they gave me this inflated eye cream. But I am blown away. I love this box. I love it. This is me. This is TonyaNicole in a nutshell, and I love it. So that is all that I have, guys. Please, please, please let me know in the comments what you got in your box, what you thought about my box. Was your base box better than your premium box or what? Like, let me know. Let's talk about it. I hope you will consider subscribing to this bomb ass subscriber squad. We have so much fun over here, y'all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. I think I'm going to be uploading a look on my Instagram using these products. So if you don't follow me there, please make sure you do so. And that's all that I have, my loves. I will see you all in the comments and on my video on Monday. Yes. So until next time in next video, you guys stay blessed. I love you all greatly. Bye, guys.